Good morning everyone, hello. Welcome to another episode. Thank you very much for joining me. It's now Sunday morning and I'm at a car show. Look, another one. I've come back to my homeland, come back to Southend to have a look around already. I mean, just in the car park there's a 912, a lovely cabriolet Beetle, lots of VWs, and I think a few of my old friends are going to be here. So hopefully if I can catch up with them, if I find them, I'll give you a little introduction. Everyone, meet Ash. This is his Beetle. Ash, you're going to have to give us the tour. Have you got your keys?
This is a 1956 Oval. I've had it for 5 years now.
Okay. 5 years? Has it been that long?
Yeah. You remember it well?
I remember it well. My birthday, a few years ago.
Ruined your birthday?
Ruined my birthday, exactly. So there's old pictures actually. We can probably find them of me with my foot in a cast.
Having the time of your life on your birthday?
On my birthday. What a dream. Oh, bloody hell. Oh, now you're showing off. Come on.
Great in the summer, down the seafront.
That's it. For the drive-through, straight through the windscreen.
It, yeah.
Oh, there's Wendy. Gone. Wild Wendy. Yeah.
Wendy. Good girl.
Hi, I'm Dom. Welcome to my workshop. Shutters up. It's now Sunday afternoon. The truck has just left with all of my tools. We're heading back to the repair shop. I'll try and document the first week back. I do know that Lucia is back down and I've got a present for her in the van that I've been working on for the last couple of weeks. So I will try my best to show you what's going on. We'll get everything set back up and get back into the swing of things down at the repair shop. So thank you so much for joining me again for another video, and I'll see you down in Chichester. What a drive down to the museum this has been. So it's Sunday afternoon and it's the Festival of Speed at Goodwood, and the museum where we film is just down the road. And I'm currently sitting in a traffic jam. Beautiful Aston Martin in front of me, 2 cars in front of me, there's McLaren. This is like the best traffic jam I've ever sat in. I might unload this van and try and wander over to the racetrack. I wonder if they'll let me in. I mean, it's last knockings on a Sunday, but they're probably all closed by now, but sweet talk someone. I might just see if I can find my way in there somehow. Love to go, never been. Hello. Well, guess what? I'm in. I can't believe it. I've managed to waggle my way in and I'm now at the race at the start line, I think. I've got no idea what's going on. I did not expect this. Apparently it's absolutely huge and I'm here for the last hour maybe before it all shuts down. Oh, well, there you go. I can now confirm burgers are really good. Time to look at some cool cars. High hopes, John. I'm expecting big things from you. You'll be a little BMW bike. make my way back down to the start line because I think my brother's here. Brother Dan is here. He's come down here in his TVR. He's texted me earlier. I don't know if he's still here, so hopefully I'm going to try and find him now. What a time to come to the start line. This is the Beast of Turin. This is an amazing car. It's the one car that I knew was here that I really wanted to see.
Anyway, this is not the first class. These are not necessarily supercars.
Oh
Beast of Turin is a super car.
But that was the start line. Dan was there. We said hello, but he was buried amongst a crowd of people. I didn't really want to film, so. And wow, some of those cars, my God. And now I'm on a bit of a mission. I want to try and find the paddock where all the cool cars are hidden. Where are they all parked? But everyone just keeps telling me this place is massive and I'm never going to find anything. I've got no map. So I'm going to carry on my quest, wander around. Literally everyone's packing up the stalls around me, but I'm going to carry on, try and find some cool cars. Split screen pickup, extended bed. I can only assume to carry a Porsche, like a little Spider or something like that. Look how long it is. Oh, hello, hello. I found another one for John. If that's not inspiration, I don't know what is. Just look at things like that and think, my God, how on earth would you make that? Some very clever people made that. A lot of these things are aluminium body, made on wheeling machines. Same sort of principle of what I've been doing with my Ranela's, probably made on the same old machines. But my God, those beautiful flowing lines with those louvers coming out the top of the wing, just beautiful. I've never been super up close to a modern Formula One car, and the detail on the aerodynamics was just absolutely incredible. All the carbon fibre work, you just can't see that when you watch it on the TV. You've got no idea. I mean, look all of the tiny little fins and vents and veins and passageways for the air to travel through. It is just absolutely incredible. This is, I did find out, I spoke to somebody, this is actually the current car. Lando, I think, raced it at Monaco. So there you go. And whilst I'm here, look at this sculpture. I have absolutely no idea how on earth that thing is standing. It's a cantilever of some sort, but this is all wires. And apparently it's the longest cantilever in the world. I mean, look at it. Jesus. There's a couple of wires, but these actual rods going into the floor are just held onto more wires, but they're rope. They're not solid bars. That is an engineering feat for sure. It's absolutely chucking it down. I think I'm the only one here. I can't see anyone else here other than the stall holders. And my battery's now flashing red, so I think I should probably end this part of the video here. Stop pushing my luck with this battery. It's going to cut out any second, but thank you for watching. The next part will be back tomorrow morning, back at the repair shop. Good morning, everyone. Here we go. I did sit and watch the football. I sat and watched it with a few of the crew from repair shop. Very sad, very sad. I think that's probably the first football match that I've watched in a long time. Didn't fully understand exactly what was going on, but I do understand that we lost. We're very sad about it. Anyway, onwards and upwards. It's Monday morning. I'm at the repair shop for the start of a brand new series. I think I'm the first one here. I think I'm the only expert in this morning, I think. And I know that Lucia's here, so I've got her present. I've been carrying this with me in the van all the way down and shaking it, trying to not shake it around. This, I'm sure you will be familiar with. It's an avocado, about 3 weeks old. Lucia has done so well with her tomato plant, or sorry, her tomato plant. I thought she needs an avocado. Of course, why not? I've already got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I definitely don't need any more. But I can't help but just planting these and just seeing if they grow. And this one has taken off, and it looks, look at that, it looks pretty good. So when Lucia's down later, we will get a tomato update and I'll get her to take some pictures and see if she likes her avocado. Good morning, everyone. It's slightly stressful yesterday. It's Tuesday now. Look at the sun, first of all. Oh, t-shirt weather, back again. Monday to yesterday, the weather just suddenly turned and it was absolutely hammering it down with rain like I've never seen it, all in like a flash, and it was flooded everywhere. Thunder, lightning. I was stuck in my shed where I'm filming, and Lucia had finished and left, and she'd gone, and I missed her, and she was only in for Monday, so she's gone. Lucia's gonna have to wait. She's gonna have to wait for a avocado plant. And I've now got the job of trying to keep it alive all week, and this is not the best situation to keep it alive, but I'll do my best. Right, it's lunchtime, and I just thought I'd show you. There's everyone here taking pictures of me. I thought I'd come and take a picture of them. Look at them all. Say hello, everyone.
Paws off you now.
You're so welcome.
Thank you.
Dan, say hello. Come on, Dan. Dan, just wave. Dan, just wave. Come on, Dan. Don't leave it out. Just give us a wave. Come on, Dan. Hey, please leave it in. If he leaves that in, I will be amazed. Anyway, we came back from a 2-week break, first day back, and I have got some visitors in my little workshop out here. This new little, well, it's not new. This little building is my new workshop, and we've had some visitors. Look at this. Look who's moved in. That is a huge wasp's nest. I can't believe they've built that in 2 weeks. Unfortunately, it is right next to my desk, and I don't like wasps. Bees, fine. I'm very happy with bees. Wasps, on the other hand, I don't think they do any good. Do they actually, Dan, do they do anything good?
They're good for the ecosystem.
They're not really good for the ecosystem, are they? They just ruin your pub lunch.
Yeah.
These wasps have been evicted, and I'm intrigued to see what the inside of that nest looks like. Ooh. I don't want to drop it. Dan, will you put your hand there and catch it?
No.
Oh my God. There is one in there. Dan! Tom. Hello. Whoa. Oh my God, Dan, look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Wow. Jesus Christ, they're all alive. I know. Oh my God.
Yeah. Wriggly baggots.
Holy moly. Friday evening, walking back up to the van, we're finished. What a week. Oh my God, there's a fly in my eye. Thunder, lightning, Festival of Speed. I really hope you've enjoyed that. Dan has actually managed to make some sense of all of the random footage that I filmed. I'm absolutely knackered. I'm going to be back in my workshop tomorrow working on a sign that I've been started, and I've started filming, so that is to come very soon, hopefully next week. But thank you so much. Big news, actually. The Vespa giveaway today, this morning, clicked over £20,000, and honestly, I can't thank you all enough. Anyone out there that has donated, You've all been so generous. Thank you so much. I mean, there's a week, nearly 2 weeks to go, and we're over the 20,000 mark. It's just incredible. Every time I check and refresh that page and see there's been more donations, I can't help but smile. So really a huge thank you so much to everyone that's donated, and keep going. We've got a couple of weeks left. Anyone else wants to enter, the Vespa could be yours for £10. But thank you so much for watching. Please leave me a comment. I do read them all and I'll try and reply to as many as I can. Make sure you've subscribed and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much and have a good weekend. Bye bye.